Morning folks, Connor Burlet with Midwest Outdoors here. We're in northern Minnesota, midway through their firearm whitetail season. We got a tag to fill and got a wonderful stand we're gonna be hunting out of this morning in a great spot, so let's go give it a try. Spike buck. So it just turned legal shooting light. We had our first deer come out at about 100 yards away. It's just a little spike buck, and that's not what we're after today. Waiting for something a little bigger, so I'm gonna let him go and let him grow, get a little bigger for next year. The new product that I'm trying this year is a Scent Killer No Zone by Wildlife Research Center. It's a fragrance-free ozone deodorizer that works well in your cars, in your cabins, for your backpack, and other interior spaces like that. One place that I found it works really well in is large deer stands, like the one we're hunting out of today. It's called the General. It's basically a motorhome on stilts. It's a very large space with set of bunk beds, wood stove, cooktop, a dresser, gas lights, and even a urinal over in the corner. It's got a 360-degree catwalk all the way around it, and even a shooting platform up top. This is one of my favorite stands because it's strategically placed between our 3 main bedding areas on this property, and a lot of big deer have been taken out of this stand, and it has definitely earned its name, the General. In this situation I'm hunting today with this northwest wind, I like using doe estrus along the northern edge of the woods here, and it'll carry the scent in there, and hopefully a big buck picks up on the scent and comes out and gives us an opportunity. I really like this new disruption pattern by Huntworth. The digital camo looks great in a variety of environments. Now here in Minnesota, we have specific blaze orange requirements, but this Huntworth gear works great as a layering piece. It's also warm, comfortable, and great for everyday use around camp. If you want to find out more information, go to huntworthgear.com. One more. There we go. I can't believe that just happened. We were just packing up and getting ready to go, and this deer pops out and put my scope on him about 200 yards away, and it was a nice sized buck, and put one shot on him, and he started running and fired off a couple more rounds, and he dropped out there about 75 yards away. He's been down now for a couple minutes. I think we're gonna go out there and go check him out.
Wow. Wow. This is by far my biggest deer to date. We were just packing up and getting ready to leave when go get some lunch when he decided to walk out, and you know, it always pays to sit a few extra minutes sometimes just for these especially for these deer and rut right now. Awesome deer. If you want to find out more about the products we use today, check out the websites on the bottom of your screen. I'm Connor Burlet for Midwest Outdoors, and stay tuned for more.